Alright, Caleb and Stevie here from Radian Arms are going to show us a little bit about their new product that they got out here. I think it's pretty cool. You Glock guys are going to really fall in love with this thing when you see it.
Yeah,
Tell us about what you got.
We're Glock fanboys, so this is our new product for 2022. It is the Afterburner comp and the ramjet barrel for the Glock 19. Really cool about this is it's threadless, so it's legal for sale in all 50 states. So you just put the barrel in, it's drop in, then you slide the comp right on, thread it on, you're good to go. You thread that little screw on, you're good to go. Self-times everything. I'm looking at like 44%, up to 44% recoil reduction out of this thing. Makes it same length as the Glock 17, so it fits in all 17 holsters. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty awesome. So.
And what model is it available for?
So it's available for the Glock 15, Gen 3, Gen 4, and Gen 5. The Gen 5 also works on 45 and 15X as well.
Alright, I understand you also got a spring system that you guys...
Yeah. They have them in here right now. It's super easy spring weight changes. So it's actually a little dovetail design. You hold the spring and you slide it right off, and then you put a little tool in there. Same tool that's actually used for a talent safety. You hold the spring down and you just, and then you remove the cap. That guy right there. You remove the cap, and then you can just change the spring and then put the cap back on.
Alright, so for you guys that are running optics and you have different size optics, this is going to compensate for the reciprocal weight that you're going to have to worry about for your spring weight. So you can go 13 to 15?
Yep, this is 13 to 18.
13 to 18.
We're running 15 counts in all these pistols.
Yeah, it works with OEM, but depending on like what you guys like to, or what you like to run, they can there.
Now this model Glock is this one we got on it.
This is the Glock 19 Gen 5, and it's got an RMR on it right now, and the Surefire Vampire.
Alright, and you also got the high-rise sights on it as well, and you got a, what is this, flashlight on the end of it?
Yeah, it's Surefire X300 Vampire.
Alright, well that's a hell of a lot to try and conceal carry, but it's a lot. It's good to demonstrate what this thing does.
Yeah.
So Caleb's going to run a few shots, and then I'm going to take over and run a few shots too, so I can make as big an ass of myself as possible. And I don't know if you saw the muzzle flip on camera, you probably didn't, but I'm watching the flip of that gun. It's really, really shooting flat. So, you know, I'm not going to shoot anything nearly that quick or nearly that accurate. This is actually the second time I've ever had a red dot in my hand on a firearm, so we'll see what happens. Ah, there it is. Wow, that really mitigates a lot of that recoil, doesn't it?
I shot this thing a lot, and it blows me away every time.
Man, I'll tell you, that is soft shooting. That really, wow.
Yeah, we're super excited about it. It's been a long time coming, but it's going to be worth it, 100%.
That's pretty slick. Now, for you guys living in New York, this is good for you. It mitigates the safe act also as much as it does the muzzle flip because of that whole thread on barrel grab. What's your MSRP on this?
MSRP is $389.95 for the combo. So that's the barrel and the compensator.
And where can everybody pick one of those up?
We are launching them later in July 20th, 21st, and so you can order them directly on our website and check your local dealers and online distributors as well.
Right, or Brownell's.
Yeah, Brownell's, absolutely.
Enough to host it.
Brownell's Awesome. Well, we're going to put a link in the description below, and you guys can find one of these and pick it up. And you know, I'm not exactly the biggest Glock guy. That's pretty damn cool. Yeah, I'm the only armor in the world, only Glock armor that doesn't own a Glock.
Awesome.